Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's I will solve question answer of this lesson. This lesson name is Source of Food. Class 6 in Science. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's begin. A. Multiple choice question. First, which one is a steam? Answer, ginger. Second, which one is not a steam? Beet. Which one is a pulse? Answer, soya. 4. Which one is not a pulse? Millet. 5. Which is not an edible oil? Sunflower oil. 6. Which one is a fungus? Answer, mushroom. 7. Which one is an animal product? Milk. Which one is a herbivore? Answer, rabbit. 9. Which one is a carnivore? Frog. 10. Which one is an omnivore? Spider. Okay. B. Match the following. Column A, column B. Fish, pisciculture. Birds, poultry. Honeybee, apiculture. Give one words for the following questions. Okay. First question, animal that eat only plants. Answer क्या होगा? Herbivorous. Second, animals that eat only other animals. Carnivorous. 3. Animals that eat both the plants and the animals. Omnivorous. 4. Edible flesh from animals. Meat. 5. Rearing of fish, pisciculture. 6. Rearing of birds for food, poultry farming. 7. Rearing of honeybees, apiculture. 8. Animals that eat dead animals and help in keeping the surrounding clean, scavengers. Okay student, scavengers. Complete the following statements. Okay. First में क्या है? Bee sucks nectar from the flowers. Bee is herbivorous. 2. Cat eats birds, rats and laps milk. Still cat is omnivorous. 3. Pigeon eats grains. Pigeon is herbivorous. 4. Lizard and frog eat only insect. Lizard and frog are carnivorous. 5. Fish eats small water plants and water animals. Fish is omnivorous. 6. Dog eats plants as well as animal flesh. Dog is omnivorous. 7. Rat eats grains, oily food and gnaws wood, paper, clothes and even plastic. Rat is omnivorous. E. Mark the correct one in the following questions. Edible part in the following is first carrot. Answer क्या होगा? Root. Second potato, stem. Third spinach, leaf. Cauliflower, flower. Tomato, fruit. 6. Peanut, seed. 7. Onion, root. Enrich the odd one. Also give the reason for doing so. First, rabbit, sheep, goat and snake. Snake is a carnivorous, other are herbivorous. Second में pea, rice, maize, wheat. Pea is a vegetable, other are root crops. 3. Carrot, radish, potato, turnip. Answer, potato is a stem, other are root crops. 4. Potato, egg, tomato, beets. Egg are animal products, other are vegetables. 5. Cauliflower, onion, cabbage, spinach. Onion is a root vegetables, other are leafy vegetables. Okay students. Lion, lizard, rabbit, snake. Rabbit is herbivorous, other are carnivorous. 7. Man and parrot. Dog. Dog is carnivorous, other are omnivorous. Cow, zebra, elephant, eagle. Eagle is carnivorous, other are herbivorous. 9. Goat, spider, frog, rat. Spider is an archant, other are animals. 10th. Fenugreek. Fenugreek, spinach, apples, cabbage. Fenugreek is a seed and other are leafy vegetables. Okay, student. After that, I will solve short type questions in notebook. Short answer type question. First, what are the two main sources of food? Answer: the two main sources of food are plants and animals. Second, name two plants which yield edible oil, non-edible oil, mustard and groundnut. Non-edible, castor and neem. 3. What are sprouts? Sprouts are germinated seed that have just begun to grow. 4. Name two plants which are rich sources of sugar. Answer: sugar cane, sugar beet. Name the foods that comes from goat, meat and milk, hen, egg and meat, bee, honey, beetroot, beetroot. 6. Name two non-green fungus plants which are source of food. Answer: two non-green fungus plants source of food are mushrooms and truffles. H. Long answer type question. In what way food serves our body? Food provides the body with energy, building blocks for growth and repair and essential nutrients for overall health. Two animals are a source of food but not the producers for food. Explain. Answer: animals are a source of food but they are not producer because they obtain their food by consuming plants or other animals. Plants are the primary producers for food through photosynthesis. 3. What are food producers and consumers? Food producers are organisms that can make their own food, such as plants through photosynthesis. Food consumers are organisms that cannot make their own food and must obtain it by consuming other organisms such as animals. 4. How are sprouts prepared? Answer: sprouts are prepared by soaking seeds in water for a period, then draining the water and allowing them to germinate. This process allows the seeds to sprout into edible shoots. 5. Which animals are nature's scavengers? How do they help in keeping the environment clean? Animals: vultures, hyenas, crows, and certain insects are examples. Nature's scavengers. How they help? Scavengers consume dead animals and organic waste which help to decompose matter and prevent the spread of disease. This process keeps the environment clean and recycles nutrients back into the ecosystem. At the last question, student: is milk a complete food? If not, what are its deficiencies? Answer. While milk is highly nutritious, it is not a complete food because it lacks certain essential nutrients. Deficiencies. Milk is low in iron, vitamin C, and fiber. It also lacks some other macronutrients needed for optimal health. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.